What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen and we're gonna be making some oven fried chicken nuggets. Let's go. First, we'll start by dipping our nuggets into the egg batter. Now we'll start to prepare our breadcrumbs. We're gonna be using panko, Italian seasoning, and some chili flakes. Give it a good mix. Now on to the mozzarella cheese. Now we're gonna be dipping our chicken nuggets into. Make sure you coat them really well before placing them on the pan. Now for the other half, we're gonna be using some red lobster biscuit mix. And lather on another layer of mozzarella cheese before popping in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Peel your carrots, chop them up into sticks, add some extra virgin olive oil and some complete seasoning, pop them into the air fryer for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And wow, look at that, absolutely amazing. And our nuggets are done too. Look at the crisp on these, absolutely. Now ready to plate them with some mustard. You can never go wrong with that. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.